Hey guys, it's Shane, and behind me I have the Crosstrek, and today we're going to be talking about the lights that we have on the front of the car. So if you're on Instagram or Facebook, you probably see a lot of Crosstreks with lights mounted all over them. I know one of the biggest questions with adding lights to your car is how to get those wires into the cabin. And with my two sets that I have, I ran those wires two different ways, and I'm going to show you how. All right, so here we are in front of the car again. You know, the pods are mounted up. There's a wire that goes from each pod. I have it tucked underneath there, in front of the radiator. And then it comes up through this little hole, right? One wire runs to the battery for power and your ground. Then I have the wire running along here to the firewall, and then down in here is a grommet. You can see there is a bundle of wires that are coming out from factory. So what I did was I cut the tape that had this tape down and lifted that grommet up. So the fun part was the wires that need to go into the cabin. I took a metal clothes hanger, tied the end of the wires to the metal clothes hanger, and fished that clothes hanger in through that grommet, which leads to the inside of the cabin. So we're inside the car now. I'm going to show you where that grommet comes out at, but my first word of advice is when you take that metal coat hanger, make sure you tape the end of it, because that metal coat hanger from being cut will be sharp. And then work that tape back down through at least the first couple inches of the wire so the wire doesn't slip off the coat hanger as you're sticking it down in. I found it best to insert the metal clothes hanger down at almost a 45-degree angle. It's really helpful if you have a partner, a friend, spouse on the inside of the cabin, letting you know if the wire is coming through or not. Because you will find you'll be sticking that metal clothes hanger down in and it feels like it's going forever and you're really not that far. All right, so we are underneath the steering column. Here's the steering column. Right next to that is where this grommet from the engine bay will come out. And I have the wires ran, right here's a plastic piece. I know it's hard to see. Right here's a plastic piece. The wires come out, I have them pulled there, ran right here behind the dash and coming out right here to my switch panel. This switch here is for the front lights on the light bar. This is for my ditch lights off the hood. All right, so the ditch lights, the one on the driver's side, that wire comes down along the inside of the engine bay, again to the battery for power and ground. Passenger side, same thing, comes into the engine bay, along the corner of the engine bay, runs in front and connects back over to the driver's side. From there, I took this plastic sheet off, and then underneath here, you'll have access to behind the fender. There's a little piece of foam in here. Again, you can take a clothes hanger or any piece of metal rodding really, as long as it's nice and thin, and guide that wire along the fender and comes out right here inside the door jamb. Then I drop that wire along the door jamb and into this grommet here. Again, same process with this grommet. Just pop this out, made a little slit big enough to get this wire in. That grommet comes out right behind this piece of plastic. So you pop this pin right here, pull this out. The inside of that grommet sits right inside of here. And again, that wire runs up to my switch. All right, guys, that's it. That's the quick tutorial on the lights on the Crosstrek. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.